Three, two, one. Hello everyone, welcome back to Total Crypto for another video. Guys, in today's video, we're going to be jumping into a couple of more memes. So if you haven't checked out my last video, then guys, go check them out because we are currently in some decent profits across most of the memes already. And if you haven't signed up to my members only right over here, guys, go and sign up. The reason why, I'll give you the exact trades to take in order for you to be able to make some pretty decent trades, such as on Success Kid. We are currently up on a day on 1, 2, 3 different trades, as well as if we were to jump into some of the memes I mentioned from my last video. If you take a look at Black Hawkinu, we also in profit in that peng. We are also in profit. As we can see, the market cap has risen, so has the price itself. So I reckon we will become winners if we keep on trading by using our strategies, but most importantly, use some conviction to get yourself into a trade. Have no fear, and whenever we dump, you should buy some more. See guys, another proof of the pudding that we are continuing making some pretty decent trades. But anyway guys, why don't we get into the video? But before we do so, let's roll the intro. 3, 2, 1. Hello everyone, welcome back to Total Crypto for another video. Why don't we just quickly jump into some of the memes that I haven't mentioned yet in my last video. So we're going to kick up the show with Birddog. Alright guys, Birddog's market cap is at $3.79 million. We are up on the day of 5.21%, but we were much more higher during the day. And the current price is at 0.003798. So let's get into the charts. All right, it's looking like that so far we are in 2 winning trades right over here. We're still yet to make profit on these 3 trades over here, which I reckon that it should be moments until we do so. Actually, we're in 3 trades. My apologies. Either way guys, that's 6 trades altogether. 3 is up, 3 is down. I have no fear because I reckon that we should be able to see a much more higher price coming in for Birddog. So where do we reckon, at least for the short term, we're going to head? It's quite easy guys. We should be heading our way back up into the most important resistance level right over here. Because we've broken the structure right here, you should be continuing away to the upside. I wouldn't be surprised if we do see a move, something similar to this, where we do that. If we don't continue our way up, then we should pull back maybe somewhere around about here before we continue our way back into the most important resistance area right up here. Yep, that's what I reckon for the meantime. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. All right, so guys, what do you reckon? Do you reckon Birddog would be huge during a bull season? Are we going to see 100 or 1000x? I reckon that we should be able to see a conservative 100,000x. I'm only kidding. We should be able to see 1000x. I'm a true believer of Birddog, being DCing in quite a lot within this project, and I reckon it will certainly be paying off. Because let's just say that I don't take any of these profits to recycle them, which is fair enough. I mean, I've got so many trades open already for Birddog. Let's say even if we do come back up to the last all-time highs with my 3 presence trades, that means this trade here is going to be over 400%, this trade here is going to be over 400%, and this trade will certainly be over 400% as well. So that's quite an easy 12x between now till the all-time highs. But what if we get to the 100x? Guys, this is how you get yourself into a decent financial position, by opening multiple trades and by holding like a boss. And by the time we see a massive price coming in for Birddog, that's how you make some insane gains for the future. So I reckon 1000x away from here. The market cap will need to get to 3.79 billion. Let me know in the comments whether you believe that Birddog can get up to $3.79 billion. So why don't we get into the next meme? And that meme is gonna be, if I can find it, Pickle. Pickle so far is up on the day. The market cap is at $664,000. We are up on the day in 9.55%, and the price is at 0.000565. So let's take a closer look at the chart and see what's going on. Alright guys, this is looking pretty decent. It's quite similar shape up to Birddog, where we've dropped and then we kind of attempted to go up. We then came back down into this level, creating two double bottoms, or should we just say double bottom right here and there. We are up on 3 of our trades, and I reckon that we should continue reaching our way back up to these levels right over here. So that means this trade here would give us 271%. This trade here would give us 226, whereas this trade over here is going to give us 265%. Not too shabby if you ask me, guys. However, I still believe Birddog we can see. Sorry, I still believe that we can see Pickle would rise over 100x in this bull season, but I might just call it a 1000x gem, because 1000x away from here, the market cap would only need to reach $667,000. You let me know down in the comments whether you believe that we can see 1000x coming in for Pickle. So why don't we jump into the next coin, and that is going to be Game. Guys, if you haven't subscribed yet to my members only, go check it out, because I've called this trade out yesterday. Oh, hang on a second, I forgot to post it. Sorry guys, I'll be much more on it. The last few days has been absolutely hectic in my life, but I will make it up. But right now it looks like we are doing pretty well with our trade in GameStop. I won't say too well, but well enough, because we broke a structure and it looks like we're going to be continuing our way to the upside. Okay, after this video I will post a couple of more videos on within my members only, so you can go check them out for yourself. So I won't go too much into GameStop right now. So instead, let's head over to CatDog, because CatDog has been a bit funny for the past 24 hours, but we're going to see why. Because we've noticed the rest of the memes has in fact been exploding its way to the upside, whereas with CatDog, I think because initially we did see a huge run to the upside, people that are still selling off, the selling pressure is really important, because even if we do see the price coming down a little bit lower, it gives us more of an opportunity in order for us to get back in, so we can start making some incredible gains. Because I reckon with, here it is, if we just take a look at the structure of the chart, guys, it looks absolutely beautiful. All the way down like so, we'll start to rounding off like that. Now that should give us at least a push back up into this zone up here. We might even retest here first before we even break any much more higher. Anyway, the market cap is $6.39 million. We are up on the day 0.97% in the past 24 hours, and the price is at 0.00007357. Alright guys, let's get into the chart. That is still not looking bad at all. So far we are up on our trades. Well, we've got 3 trades open, so we have 2 trades are currently open, and it looks like that we could be continuing heading our way up from here. This is beautiful, staircasing our way up. My only concern is this could be a bear flag, like so. That might not be too great at the minute, but we just need to see whether we do break for this level. So for me, in order for me to remain extremely bullish, I want to see us breaking this level here. And once we do, if we look to our left, that's the last holding, or the last line of resistance. And then once we break there, then we should be continuing our way to the upside. Now that will present some pretty significant gaining trades, because even if you get in now, and we do come back up to this level, that will give us a quite easy 218% move to the upside. I've already whacked in more than $400 US, so that means this will give me, it will give me over $800 just from this move in profits. So if you include my initial trade and my profits, potential profits gained within CatDog, then guys, it should be up to $1,200. This is how you can make some insane gains, guys, because even if you squeeze into the chart a little bit, want to do break this level and we continue away to the upside, I reckon by the time we do come back up to the last all-time highs, that is at 1,130% move to the upside, that should be a well easy, well over $4,400. But anyway, I reckon we should be able to see at least minimum 100x for CatDog during the full season. And once that happens, guys, we can all be in the money. So why don't we jump into Shiba Inu, because there's quite a few decent news coming out from Shiba Inu. The burn mechanism is there, and a lot of the coins are being locked up at the same time. I reckon the market cap is only $8.44 billion. I reckon I wouldn't be surprised if we see 10x away from here. It might even get up to maybe $100 billion. This could be the first meme to do that. You let me know, guys, in the comments whether you believe that Shiba Inu could in fact go up to well over or around about $100 billion. I know it sounds a bit too far-fetched, but hear me out, guys. One, they've got the burn mechanism, and two, they are locking up the coins as well. So that means the lower the supply, then the higher the demand of the meme will be. Anyway, so far we discussed a few memes already. You let me know, guys, in my next video what memes would you like me to cover, as I'll always be happy to cover whichever memes that you will be interested in. We're also going to be covering a little bit of AI tokens in the next several videos. Let me know, guys, if you are interested in that. But anyway, if you haven't done so already, guys, do me a favor, give me a like, subscribe, hit the bell notifications, and I'll see you all in the next video.